welcome to MindSpace. This is the 3D mind mapping platform where you can fly through ideas in a visually stunning space with limitless objects, details, and connectivity. And to tell you a little bit about MindSpace's problem we're solving, we have scattered ideas everywhere with no central system to track them all. Fragmented storage, lost work, implementation challenges, and MindSpace is going to solve all this. And here is how. What we're going to do is we are going to free thinkers basic access to inspire users to become customers. We're going to give everyone 3 free spaces in a Google Drive-like interface with folders that open up into spaces. And we're going to have limited tool access to Studio. We're going to have the ability for people to publish their spaces on the Discover page. We're going to have limited collaboration with other thinkers so that people can think together in the same spaces. We're going to have free and premium spaces, and we're also going to have paid monthly and annual subscriptions. We're going to have Pro and Enterprise, and basically we'll have unlimited spaces for these paid spaces on this paid plan. And we're going to have key performance indicators to see how the spaces are performing, in a dashboard, and we're going to have powerful AI tools with monthly token usage so that you can leverage AI. And so in the space marketplace, you can share your spaces with other people as free or paid spaces. And we're going to have a revenue split 50-50 between the platform and the creators of the spaces. We're going to leverage Web 3.0 crypto wallet connectivity for instant transactions and statistics for essential compliance metrics. Imagine the world's best minds working together without limits. And so, then we need a bid system on the Discover page for these spaces so that people can find each other's spaces. And so we're going to have ad campaigns. We're going to have prompts to build these ad campaigns with image gen. We're going to have spaces for instant browser visualization with rating and reviews. And we're going to have enterprise solutions. Basically, we're going to have the ability to generate API keys and use in other services. So here we go. Let's see what MindSpace has in store. Here you can see a demo of a little knowledge graph or a mind map inside of 3D space. And you can imagine all of these spheres having text on them, indicating something, and containing even more data. We call this metadata. And so imagine, if you will, navigating complex worlds with all of these mind maps leading to what you want to think about. And we'll have AI generation, we'll have the ability to import, export, and we'll have a community marketplace. We'll have just amazing technology in this platform. And so I talked a little bit about this, but one-click conversion, basically taking any kind of file from Google Drive, let's say, and we are able to transform this data into keywords, into spatially aware 3D mind maps with depth in color theory, organization. And this is really going to make things a lot more accessible and a lot more entertaining. We're also planning on doing web, mobile, AR, VR for all major platforms using React Vision. Not to mention, we also have multi-language support, access through the MindSpace viewer and Studio in numerous languages for global reach, cross-platform experiences, basically being able to deploy and access all of these use cases on mobile and all these other devices I mentioned earlier. We are future ready. We have the amazing potential to integrate with something that hasn't even been done before, and that is the luxury float tank market. You know, desalination tanks, being able to, or sensory deprivation tanks, being able to float around and visualize a whole world with like the next gen technology, with like Neuralink and voice commands, hand gestures. And so let's talk about product market fit. MindSpace has product market fit within Roblox Studio as a prototype already. We're soon launching into the creator marketplace. And for one-time purchase of $30, the plugin is yours. And the plugin will be able to basically do all of what you need for import, export, filtering, operations, and just labeling any kind of part as an abstract. It's that easy. And we're going to deliver COPA compliant, automated, machine learning, moderated, respecting privacy and IP rights through just an amazing tech stack. So let's move on. The competition is stuck in 2 dimensions. Traditional platforms lack immersive spatial organization and data portability, limiting user engagement. You know, these applications like Miro, Lucidchart, they're great. They use Mermaid. We can actually import from there. Notion, Trello, these are services for project management. Visual Mind is 2D mind mapping with some AI, but they're stuck in 2D, so they're not really there yet. And then Thinking Machine is just very buggy, doesn't work as expected, and is split across browser and download. The MindSpace advantage, here we have cutting-edge 3D platform powered by 3GS for seamless immersive thinking in a data-agnostic platform. And I, the founder, Sim Builder, or McKale, I am an experienced developer that grew up on Roblox since 2008. And there's a massive problem with monopolies, IP theft, invasive privacy, and not to mention the moderation problem. So MindSpace will eventually surpass the Roblox platform in education and data utility by leveraging latest technologies. And so Roblox kind of refuses to go Web 3.0. They're kind of stuck in this Web 2.0 world. And I am willing to innovate and go into crypto. I'm willing to enable revenue sharing with automations instead of relying on desk job work and bureaucracy like the Developer Exchange program. And so for the first time in history, free thinkers will be able to monetize their spaces and recognize their academics within MindSpace. We're going to be able to track intrinsic value and interpret this value with respect to time and complexity and creation mode. So let's talk about the team. I'm the president and founder of MindSpace. You can book a meeting with me on Calendly if you want to talk more. MindSpace combines proven leadership with a powerful mission, and this is a great market opportunity. I've done the market research. It's billions of dollars in the education productivity sectors, and it's just unbelievable what this platform will be able to do. I'm board certified. I have generated millions of dollars, and I'm seeking Y Combinator co-founders. I'm seeking just business excellence, and I'm building a very clear roadmap and making tons of progress on prototypes and templates and everything that will just redefine everything. And so, without further ado, the investment opportunity. We're seeking about 100 to 250K pre-seed, and going into Series A then at 2 million, and then Series B at 10 million. These numbers could change, although the growth potential is vast. Our target market is students, professionals, and creatives worldwide. We're seeking to fund app development, storage, deployment, and marketing. So, will you visualize the future with MindSpace? Where your investment, seed capital, builds a premium platform to create a revolutionary productivity tool, expanding features and market reach, and growing our user base. Thank you very much. This has been a presentation on MindSpace, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Thank you.